Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramani and today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair, so let's just get straight into it. I know my hair looks so freaking dusty right now, y'all, but it's okay because we're about to get it together. I'm going to be washing my hair. I'm not going to be retwisting it. I know it looks like I need a retwist, but my birthday is in a few weeks, so I'm not trying to do my hair just yet because I want to wait until then. And my birthday is on October 21st, so if you're watching this video on or after that, make sure you tell me happy birthday. All right, so let's get into this wash day. So I just immediately start soaking my hair in the water. I really want my hair to soak up this water because y'all just saw how dry my hair looked. After that, I take my tea tree tingle shampoo. That is such a tongue twister. I take my tea tree tingle shampoo that I got from Trader Joe's and I pour some in my hand, and then I'm going to focus on my scalp. I make sure the shampoo is coated all over my scalp, and then I'm going to start scrubbing my head. I also forgot to mention that I really like this shampoo. One, because it makes my hair feel super clean. Two, because it's only $3.99. Like, you really can't beat it. So now I'm going to rinse that out, and then I'm going to go back in with the shampoo, but this time I'm going to focus more on my actual locks. Once I finish rinsing the shampoo off of my locks, I go back in with the shampoo for the third and final time, and I'm going to focus on my entire head. And that's just when I scrub everything. I just make sure my hair is completely clean. Once that's done, I make sure I rinse out my entire head completely. I do not want anything to be left in my head. So I'm doing my edges, the back of my head, I'm getting my locks. Like, really make sure everything is out of your head when you are using shampoo. And this is how my hair looks after it's been washed. I know you see it just looks a lot more moisturized than it did at the beginning of this video. So after sitting with my hair wrapped for about 3 hours now, I'm ready to take it all down and moisturize my hair. I'm going to be using some homemade rose water, and I will link this tutorial down below. I'm not going to completely soak my hair. I just want to coat my hair because my hair is still damp from when I washed it earlier. And then after that, I'm going to be using my olive oil, which you can see the bottle has completely disintegrated because I put it in the microwave. That's neither here nor there. I'm just going to be putting this all over my scalp and kind of getting it on my locks, and then I'm just going to repeat that same thing on the other side. I did it off camera, but just to reiterate, I did repeat those same steps on the other side. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for making it all the way to the end of this video. If any part of this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And if you want me to talk about something that I haven't covered yet, let me know that too. I'm going to leave all of my socials in the description box, and I'm also going to leave some more lock videos. So if you're new on your lock journey, you can watch mine and see how I kind of navigated my lock journey. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in my next video.